Okay, so here we have the push-up. This is a full push-up position. We're going to be starting off getting ourselves into a neutral alignment with our hands stacked directly under our shoulders. Now, as you see, David's here is a little bit rounded at the beginning, so we want to try and set our shoulder blades back, not locked together, but moving them into our back pockets to help flatten out our thoracic spine here. Now, what that does, it creates a position that our shoulder blades can glide on as we're going up and down. Next, we're going to breathe in and maintain this neutral spine, bringing our head into a straight line. We're going to initiate the movement by bending our elbows and traveling down towards the ground, making sure we're staying in a nice straight line with our core, and then pressing back up. And let's do that again. And back up. As we go through the movement, one of the most common issues that we see is our head tilting up and down as we go through it. So we want to make sure that it's staying in a nice line with our body. In addition, we also see our lower back dropping down as we go down, arching into our lower back. So we want to make sure that we're using our core and our breathing to stabilize us as we go through the movement.